Room service, good morning. This is Reggie Ezekiel speaking. How may I help you?
Can I order food?
St. Taylor, sir. But before I take your order, do you have menu with you? It is located on the table before your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and your room number, please?
My name is Sandros Cabello of room 207.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Sandros Aaron from 207. May I get your order, please?
Can I order a cup of coffee and muffins?
May I suggest to you our American breakfast, sir?
No thanks.
Is there anything else would you like to add?
Nothing.
May I repeat your order, sir? Your order is a cup of coffee and a muffin. Did I get your order right?
Yes, it's right.
Please be advised that your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait, sir?
Yes.
The total amount of your bill is 400 pesos. Would you prefer to pay it in cash or charged into your room?
Cash.
Is there anything else can I help you, sir?
Nothing.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service.
Yes.
Is that Mr. Sandros Aaron of room 207?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. I am registered for your room service attendant for today. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. What do you want to place this food?
Beside my sopa.
Excuse me, sir. Can I open the curtain?
No thanks.
This is your ordered muffin bread, and this is your cup of coffee, sir. Is there anything else would you like to add, sir?
Nothing.
Excuse me, sir. Is your bill? Thank you, sir. I received 400 pesos, and I will be back in 45 minutes to pick up the tray and clean your sold dishes. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.